Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're exploring Tockify, a powerful scheduling tool found at Tockify.com. Tockify offers a streamlined approach to appointment setting and management, simplifying the process for both businesses and individuals. Its intuitive interface allows users to quickly set up appointment types, specify availability, and manage bookings efficiently. This can be a real game changer for anyone struggling with the back and forth of scheduling. Tockify's diverse features cater to a variety of needs, from simple one-on-one appointments to complex group bookings. Whether you're a consultant, coach, freelancer, or small business owner, Tockify can be a valuable asset. One of the standout features of Tockify is its flexibility. You can customize your booking page to match your brand, creating a seamless and professional experience for your clients. Furthermore, Tockify integrates with a range of other platforms, including popular calendar applications and payment gateways. This integration streamlines your workflow and ensures that all your scheduling information is synchronized. Imagine the time saved by automating these processes. No more double booking or missed appointments. Beyond its core scheduling capabilities, Tockify provides insightful analytics, allowing you to track booking trends and optimize your availability. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions about your scheduling practices. Think of it as having a personal scheduling assistant that helps you maximize your efficiency. With its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and integration capabilities, Tockify presents a compelling solution for anyone looking to simplify and streamline their appointment scheduling. So, if you're tired of juggling calendars and struggling to keep up with bookings, give Tockify a try. You can find the link in the description. Remember to like and subscribe for more Rome research and productivity tips.